Hello guys, today I have PANASONICH HC-VX3E-K and I'm going to go for the USB Type-C port and charging not working in here. Camera. I didn't take a breath. But what to do at first? The first thing is to understand the limitation. Many camcorders, including the Panasonic like this, can charge via USB Type-C, but cannot operate while charging. I mean, it can, but it just it may overheat. The charging may be limited, or so. Even if you record the video in 1080p, so you need to understand the limitation. So if the camera is on and it records, it may not charge at all. It just supports that your camera is turned on. Your battery does not charge at all. And number 2, quick checklist. Try it first. Turn your camera off. Plug in the USB Type-C cable. Then wait 10, maybe 20 seconds. If charging starts, it's normal behavior, not a fault. So, if you have any problems here, apart from that, check your cable. Not USB Type-C. Not all USB Type-C cables are equal. Some cables use don't support the power delivery, the PD, are missing proper wiring, or only support the slow charging. So just check different cables, check for their damage, and check for everything. Use a high quality USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, or use the certified USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable they give you in a box with your camera. Apart from that, charger compatibility is very important also. Your camera may require the specific voltage profile, and just use the one that is written on the box or in the user manual that you get in your user manual. And when it comes to the temperature, if your camera can protect itself, as I mentioned, if it's too hot or if it's too cold. Especially relevant if you just record in 4K and the camera feels warm. As for the fix, just let the camera cool down and try again after 10 to 15 minutes. Next one is the port issue. Check for the dust and lint in the USB Type-C port, loose connection in there, any bent pins. If you see some, gently clean with wooden toothpick, compressed air, but avoid metal tools. Remember that, avoid metal tools. Again, avoid metal tools. The battery may be also a problem, because one of the possible issues may be that battery may be not seated correctly, battery may be degraded, and third-party battery may be incompatible. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.